Prepare to delve into artificial intelligence with Understanding AI for Beginners, the essential guide to artificial intelligence. This course is crafted to simplify the intricate aspects of AI, making them digestible for individuals starting their journey. Perfect for learners across various backgrounds, you'll uncover AI's foundational elements in an engaging format. Chart the evolution of AI, gain insights into pivotal technologies such as machine learning, generative AI, and large language models (LLMs), and witness their transformative effects on diverse sectors. The course introduces you to practical AI tools and how to get started to exploit opportunities that come with AI. Additionally, the course sheds light on the moral dilemmas AI may pose and speculates on its future trajectories. You will build the capability to interact with AI confidently through comprehensive teachings, active participation, and real-world scenarios. Embark on this educational expedition to discover AI's limitless potential. The course interface is user-friendly, made up of short, easy-to-follow video lectures with practicals. More about the course instructor. I am Louisa Muparuri, your instructor for this course. I am a seasoned ICT practitioner and AI researcher with over 20 years of experience in quantitative modeling, systems integration, and data-driven strategy. I hold a PhD in mathematics and several other qualifications in computer and data science, operations and business management, and professional ICT certifications from renowned ICT industry leaders such as Microsoft, Oracle, and Google. I have worked across various industries, both in the private and public sectors, including institutions of higher learning, leading ICT innovations and training. My students often say my teaching style makes complex tech and business concepts easy to understand and apply. I hope you will experience the same. Get enrolled now and let's step into the first module.